What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we have a 2016 Ram 1500. Has the 3-liter EcoDiesel in it, 6-cylinder. Needs a thermostat. These are pretty simple, so this might be a quick video. I got the cover off already, and today I'm not at my shop at the used lot. I'm at the house. You see, 3-liter turbo diesel on the highway. Y'all can see that. The sun is right in my eyes. But you just need to pull this cover off. It sits on there like this and just pops off. You can see the little rubber grommets. You got it popped off. Set that down to the side, and then it's got like two little latch pieces in the back there that it kind of just hooks into like that. But thermostat is right here on the top, and it looks like probably two 8mm and a squeeze clamp, and then it comes right off. Don't know why he wanted it. I didn't know if he had like check engine light or what come on. So because he does have one on now, and I'm thinking that's what it's for. And I think he had it checked somewhere else, but he wanted me to change it. And parts are a little expensive for what they are. I'll show you what the parts are. So you got a Murray right here, part number 94508, and for what it was, there it is. Got the gasket on it already as well. But for what this thing was, or is, I mean, it was like $80-something for that little thermostat. And then we have this right here, 50/50 Xerox Valvoline for Chrysler. On these, you need to make sure that it's that right there. It is OAT approved, organic acid technology. Because you need it for this engine right here. So that's what we got. It is the orange. But like I said, it's probably gonna be a quick little video after this. Let me get my topside creeper. I'm gonna try to get it around so we can get up here and not have to lay down on all this plastic and reach over top of this and all that good stuff. Probably going to drain a little bit of the coolant out just so it can get below that level, and then we'll refill it. But let me gather my tools. Like I said, we are up here on the top. We have these two 8mm. We're going to take off. Now, when you go to take this one off, be careful, because you could drop it. That one's a little tight just because of one line. Here is your bolt on the highway. I can see that. Let's see if I can reach down in here and grab this one. Come on, don't drop it, Corey. Alright. And yeah, you're gonna have some coolant come out. I was gonna drain it, but I was just like, just change it. Not worry about it now, just fill it and wash it all off for them. And not a whole lot is actually coming out. I'm just kind of surprised. We can get this to scoop back some. She is tight on here. Come on, ain't you moving? There it goes. Let me go ahead and grab the new one and go ahead and stick it in so we can keep it from gurgling. Get this leaf out of here first. Alright. Got that one about in place. Oh yeah, she's threading in nicely. Not gonna put too much torque on it for right now, just so I can make sure I get all these torque right. Come on, get in there. Trying to start it with my fingers first. I think I about got it. Wheel. Thought I had it started. See why it ain't starting. Let me see what I can figure out on this, because it ain't starting right. Alright, got it in. Tip to the wise. Do this right here. Put this harder side end down over here in first, then put this one up there. That one right there wanted to go in a little bit like crooked whenever after I'd put that in, so I always put the left side in when you're facing it first. That way you can get it started, and then you can do the right side. All right, got it. Now we just need to torque it. Torques to 8 foot-pounds or 11 Newton meters, and pretty much have it torqued. Now, come on, get on there. I figured it would move a little bit because I torqued it one time already. I just wanted to be sure. Alright, so should be good on the torque. Now, I just got to put the radiator hose on. Let me set y'all back up. I just did that one-handed. Here it is, and should come out fairly easy. Just because it is plastic, and plastic typically doesn't stick to it like those old metal ones did. Let's get this back on here. Come on, get over it. She is a tight one, I will say that. Okay. About got it. There we go. And I like to put them basically back in the same spot that they were. Now, I'm going to take the radiator cap off of the overflow, which is right there. Like, here's your thermostat. There's your overflow. It's right here on the front. I mean, if you got the hood open, you'll see it. There's no missing it. And as y'all can see right there, see if I can get y'all a little closer. It says oat coolant. That's organic acid technology. last one kind of slipped me, but MS-12106, that's what it calls for, and what I have is approved for that. So recommended way to fill this and get the air out is to use a vacuum bleeder, but we still have coolant in here, and I do believe that the thermostat has a little bleeder valve on the top on that one right there. So I'm going to fill her up. She burped on me. I'm gonna rinse all this off anyway with some water just to make sure everything's clean and you don't get that coolant smell. Go ahead and check that now. Yep, that is a little bleeder. Which I do like that, and it wasn't on there super tight. But let me dry my hands off. I'm going here and crank it up so we can get the coolant to come down a little bit more. And let this run for a little bit, let the temperature come up, the thermostat open and everything, then we'll recheck the coolant level and fill it up to the appropriate amount. As you can see, truck's in different spots. Took it on test drive, got it ran up to the appropriate temperature, got up to 211, then thermostat open, and about running temperature was around 203, 205. Which was pretty good. I didn't mind that. Checked the fluid and everything was topped off with the appropriate amount. Used about 3/4 of a gallon to fill it up from all that drained out, and you may use a little bit less than I do just because I had a hard time getting the bolt to start in there, so it took a little bit more for me to get it in there. Hopefully you don't have the same issue, but just wanted to show y'all that it was pretty easy job if you don't have the issue that I had. But she is running good and temperatures are where they should be. I just wanted to give y'all a closing statement on the video. If you've got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section. Get to them as soon as I can, like always. And get the shirts, hats, stickers, Patreon, Instagram, all the good stuff. Y'all got any questions on anything, not just this vehicle, but anything I can help y'all with on any kind of vehicle, let me know. I'll do my best to help y'all out. And like always, y'all remember, torque is tight. Y'all have a great day.